How to download Binance application and install it on your PC. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install your Binance application on your PC or desktop. So first thing, simply head over to any web browser, and as you can see I'm on my Binance download here, and as you can see there's option to download it for Android or for iOS as well, and there is also new option called for Windows, and you can also download it for Mac and Linux as well since it has been updated. So what you need to do is, what I want you to do is simply click on this down Windows button, and once you click on Windows button it will be downloaded. As you can see I've already downloaded the setup, and once you download the setup simply click on the setup application, simply hit enter, and once you do that simply select a language like this and select your file like this, and simply once you select your directory simply let it install and wait for some time. And as you can see, so once the setup is finished you are good to go and run your Binance application on your PC. So that's exactly how you successfully download and install the Binance application on your PC or desktop. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.